Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to fix WhatsApp backup stuck on your phone. So to do this, it's pretty simple. You have and first of all, go to WhatsApp to check the backup. Go and click on your picture on the bottom right of the screen. And after that, go and check storage and data. Here you have to check that everything and all the options here are like working well, and look to your storage and check that there is enough storage for your backup. And after that, go to chats, and as you can see here, we have chat backup. You have to check here that you have enabled the auto backup, the automatic backup. And after that, the last thing that you should check is that you have enough storage on your iCloud for that backup. And to do this, you have to click on your account on the top of the screen. After that, go to iCloud and go and click on See All. Of course, you have to check here that you have enough space. Of course, to make a backup, you should have at least double the space needed for the backup available on your iCloud account. So for example, if you have 1 gigabyte of backups, you must have at least 2 free gigabytes to do that backup. So after that, go to Save to iCloud and click on See All. And scroll down until you find WhatsApp, and you have to be sure that backup is activated for WhatsApp, and like that. And of course, you should also have to check if you need update for the WhatsApp application, and you have to restart your phone and try to backup again, and I'm pretty sure that backup will work very well on your phone. And if the backup still do not work, you have to delete WhatsApp application and download it again and try to do the backup. But you must know that when you delete the app, you can install only the last backup that you did. So maybe the last backup was 1 week or 1 month ago. So you will use that backup to restore your chats on your WhatsApp. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.